Here it is. Oh, God. Oh.
It looks like straight out of a fairy tale. It looks like a gingerbread house, right?
1 roof line, 2 roof line, 3 roof line, 4. There's 7 roof lines.
I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be really weird inside because the outside just looks really funky.
It's a weird entry.
So boring.
The biggest problem that I'm seeing is it's a 2,700 square foot house, but when you enter the house, it feels like a 1,200 square foot house.
Right, there's not even a dining room.
And the kitchen is bigger than the living room.
Right, well, it'd be nice if you take out that wall.
That would probably be about 10 to 12,000 to open this up. Let's go look at this kitchen. This just feels off to me.
It's a big kitchen, but I feel like it's just all wasted space. So what do you think we're looking at to reconfigure, redesign this kitchen?
More than usual. I would say it's gonna cost about $10,000 to $12,000 to redo the kitchen. Not cheap.
Even though this is a 2,700 square foot house with 5 bedrooms, it really doesn't feel that big. The first thing we would do here is remove the wall between the kitchen and the living room to create a big open living space.
The problem is this was a small house and they put on a big addition, so it still feels like a small house.
Oh, here's a bedroom. Oh, it's lovely carpet.
So this is definitely the original master. I mean, huge bathroom though.
It feels like a hospital. Everything's just white and sterile.
We would actually be able to take the closet out and do a full-size shower.
That would be amazing. All right, here's a bedroom. 3rd bedroom.
They're decent size.
4th bedroom. This one's nice because it has the high ceiling. Bathroom. Oh, why is it floral? Mushy.
Water damage.
I think to have a 2nd bathroom for the 3 bedrooms is actually a nice sized bathroom.
No, I think it's a good bathroom.
Okay, so we just came across 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We're missing a bathroom and a bedroom. I didn't see any stairs, did you?
You have to go through a bedroom to get to the addition.
Of course, just our luck. You kidding me?
Oh no, this is so weird.
This is what I was expecting to see in the first place when we walked into this house.
Oh,
here we go.
What is this?
There's the fireplace.
Oh my God. This is a bad addition.
Oh.
Is that a bathroom?
I don't know.
This is a bathroom.
What?
Full shower.
How weird is that? Oh. Nice slider.
This yard looks like a challenge.
How much does it cost to replaster a pool like this?
Costs about $7,000 to $8,000. It would probably cost more actually. Look how deep it is.
Sidestep, sidestep. It's like literally like 12 feet deep. It's
Wow.
because it looks like they used to have a diving board. Everything's chipping, cracking. The good thing is, there is a pool. I mean, how much does it cost to dig a pool like this?
To do a pool like this, it's probably about $40,000.
So we've saved that amount of money if we buy it.
Yeah, but to do the rest of this yard, I mean, all this decking needs to be replaced, all the coping needs to be replaced. That entire area over there needs to be replaced.
We have some thinking to do.
Before we make an offer on this house, we're gonna bring out our project manager so we can get a bid on the interior.
Depending upon what kind of finishes you guys want to do, I think we're going to be about 80 to 85, not including the exterior.
Since the indoor-outdoor living aspect is so important to this area, and the landscape is so big, we're bringing in our landscape designer to help brainstorm design ideas for our pool and the backyard.
This is the monster yard we told you about. All right, so it's not only right here, it actually wraps all the way around the back of the house.
Here's my wish list. Hot tub, barbecue area,
Okay.
fire pit,
Yep.
covered patio. Right now, it's just like all brick and rubble. It's ugly. It needs like major landscaping.
So our
Yeah.
all-in budget,
I'll make it happen for 100,000.
That's a lot of money, so.
And I'll make it look really cool. I'll make it worth it.
All right.
Let's draw it up, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, got it.
With comps as high as $700,000 and our total rehab budget set at $185,000, we've decided to place an offer below the asking price of $450,000.
Hello?
Hey, this is Tarek. How's it going?
Oh, hi. Fine. How are you?
So, you know, based on the amount of work and the size of the house, it's actually pretty extensive. So we're able to come in with an offer of $430 all cash.
$430. I think $430 could probably work.
All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, I'll head to my office right now, shoot you the offer, and we'll open escrow tomorrow.
We're moving forward with demo and removing the wall between the kitchen and the living room. Our margins are tight on this flip, so we need to be careful with our spending here, especially with so much of our budget going towards the backyard.
All right, very nice.
What's going on, Jake?
Hey, guys.
Wow. What do you think, honey?
So much better.
It's nice and open. So where are we at with the progress on this?
Everything's moving forward, but we had some extra costs that popped up on us.
What do we come up with?
The whole HVAC system has to be completely replaced.
Why?
It's shot. It's completely shot. We had our professionals in here. They told us the ducting's bad, the HVAC's bad, the condenser's bad, everything's bad. Got some
What
more bad
else?
news. This subfloor here, this particle board, never seen it in my life. I asked our flooring professional. He said he's seen it once in 30 years. We have to pull up all this particle board and lay down plywood.
Is that just in here?
Whole house,
How much is it?
2,000.
So we're looking at,
$9,000 for something that no one's ever gonna see, and we're like all in on the backyard already.
Not quite 9,000. The electric isn't grounded either.
Huh?
what? There's more?
We're looking at about another 3,500 on top of that.
What?
Wow.
Over $12,000 for non-cosmetic interior fixes hurts.
And with the space inside now opened up, we're moving forward with our design plans. I'm thinking we do dark cabinets. The neighborhood's a little bit more traditional. We've chosen shaker cabinets with faux marble, quartz countertops throughout the house, with real wood floors in the living spaces, and large dark gray tiles for the bathroom floors and shower walls.
And then this for the shower pan?
This for the shower pan, and we'll do a large mosaic strip that goes into the soap dish.
Love it. You ready to go see the house? Mm-hmm. Hey, you know what? The front of the house looks really good.
It does, looks awesome.
I mean, it came out great.
So much
Wow,
better.
the door's pretty.
I think the paint colors are perfect.
All right, so tell me what you think.
Whoa, I love the kitchen.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Finally.
You love it?
This tile is so pretty. Did somebody make the kitchen all by itself?
Yeah, Mom,
Daddy.
yeah.
Daddy designed it.
Wow, this is the best design you've ever done.
Daddy didn't do it.
You know?
Yeah,
The best I've ever done?
baby. Daddy didn't do it.
Daddy did it. Don't listen to mommy.
Tell the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
Do you think Daddy picked this?
Oh, that was totally you. You always put in the house.
I know. See?
I know, Daddy's just here.
Good job, Mom.
Thank you. Amazing.
Jesse nailed it. Look at that floating TV.
It's so cool, Hante. The
Oh my-
barbecue, look at the slatted wood. Amazing. Love the grass in between right here. That's like my favorite
Wow,
look.
the floor is so...
You know what? This yard is gonna sell this house.
Oh, for sure. I love this like separation between the jacuzzi and the pool area.
Mommy, I want to put my feet in the pool.
Let's do it. Imagine once it's staged, it's gonna look amazing. Like that fire
Daddy,
pit.
could you put your feet
Imagine
in
with
the
like a bunch of
water?
chairs around it, how awesome it's gonna look.
Daddy,
Can I put my
you
feet in?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
Daddy's too big for this stuff.
Yeah.
Freezing. All right. Tell you, want to know how much money mommy and daddy spent here?
$500.
Spent a lot of money. The backyard ended up costing $120,000, and the inside we spent $130,000.
Backyard, I think 120, but it definitely shows.
But we paid $430 for the house. We put about $250 into it. We're gonna have $20,000 in selling costs. So we're breaking even $700. If we can sell for $750, we still make $50,000.
It looks amazing. Every buyer that walks out here is gonna be obsessed with it.
We'll list at $749.9.
It's a lot of cupboards. Yeah, it's nice. There's a lot of spacing.
Oh, I love the shower. Oh my gosh.
I like the TV.
That's amazing.
Is that a spa? Oh, so nice. Oh, this is really pretty.
This is a great entertaining area.
Oh, look,
my
another
goodness,
fireplace.
indoor, outdoor
Look at the
area.
fireplace.
Oh, this is so nice.
Look at the view.
Oh,
Beautiful view of the
I
pool.
know it.
After only 4 days on the market, we received several offers which drove the price to $753,000. And the house is officially in escrow. If this deal goes through, we stand to make a profit of just under $50,000. Time to find another house to flip.